All right, so here's our service business keywords list. So if you don't have this list that we're showing you right here, down below in the description, there will be a link where you can download this free list. Now, the best way to go about using this, or the easiest way, is to simply just change the right terms into the terms that you want and do it very quickly like this. So inside Excel, you want to do a Control F for find, and we are going to go to replace. And we're going to say find what? So let's say you're not a plumber. Let's say you are a floor refinishing business. So what we want to do is we want to find the term plumber and we want to replace it with floor refinishing. And then we want to hit replace all. So it says all done. We made 29 replacements. Now you can see floor refinishing. But it didn't change them all because we had plumber and we also had plumbing. So now we're going to change this to plumbing and replace all. Now you can see floor refinishing contractor, services, company, local floor refinishing service. And obviously go through and double check and make sure that these all read as they should. Because sometimes it might not be the right use of the word in that sentence. So floor refinishing companies, maybe you just want company, whatever it might be. Now, when you get down to locations, you want to change these for your locations. One thing to do is make sure that you always use your state abbreviation as well. A lot of people will type that in. So we started out with Minnesota. Let's say you're in Florida. So we're going to say find what? Find MN, replace with FL, replace all. There's only a couple of them. So now we want to change from find Minnesota and replace with Florida. Now, we want to find the city that we're going to look in. So maybe instead of Minneapolis, you are talking about Miami. Replace all. Okay, just as easy as that. Go through Florida, floor refinishing, Florida with the state spelled out, floor refinishing, Miami, floor refinishing company. You get the idea. Now, here's the types of services. You need to do this for everything else. So types of services, maybe instead of, and maybe this actually worked out, kitchen, floor, bathroom, basement, bar, garage. So that one worked out. Maybe you only do residential or commercial, whatever it might be. And here's some miscellaneous keywords. Best, top. Some of those are the ones I would test. In the description below, there's going to be another link. There's going to be a link to this list. And there's also another link to another video that we have that actually is a keyword spreadsheet. It will show you how to keep all these keywords organized and then how to upload them all to Google Ads, all within a couple clicks of the mouse. So go ahead and check that out there. So if we missed any of these keywords, make sure and let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear any other suggestions. These are just ones that we have used with the dozens of service businesses and the millions of dollars of ad spend that we've spent. These are the most profitable ones. So if you're interested, take a look at the right and you'll see our keyword research list for service businesses, how we came up with this list, and also how many keywords you should have in your Google Ads. Thanks so much. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, or share it with someone else who might find it interesting. Or if you know of someone who's in need of PPC or Google Ad services, please let us know. We'd love to help. Thanks.